On today's video, I figured I'd make something simple, something short, something you might find useful. So if you do, drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button if you're new. So with these coil pack clips, plug-ins here, you might think it's something fancy, some fancy tool. You don't know how to undo them. Well, I'm going to show you. You just pull up on them. Right here, take your finger, put here. They quick disconnects what they are. And then you can check everything. Make sure they're good. This Mini Cooper, the reason we are investigating this, we might be doing a plug change on it here soon in a video, because it's got a misfire. It's got multiple misfires. The valve cover was just replaced on it. This is a brand new valve cover, because this PVC valve fitting, you can't buy it separate. You got to put the whole, well, the fitting broke off. You have to put the whole valve cover on it. But it disappeared. One day the car got a miss, looked under the hood, the PVC thing was gone. Don't know what happened to it. But that's how you undo your little clips here for your coil packs. They just quick disconnects. Very simple, very easy to do. If you found it helpful, drop a like, leave a comment. If you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one of my videos.